Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time watching one of my videos. Hi, my name is James and today we're going to be doing a vegan food haul. I know, it's exciting. So, I went to town today and I got loads of vegan goodies just for this video. And this is why these videos are my favourite to film, because like literally I get to go to town and buy loads of amazing vegan food and show you guys, which I love. So I'm going to start at the top of the pile, like major things that need to be put into the freezer quick before they melt. So I got these almond magnum bars, ice creams. They're vegan and they're amazing. That's all I have to say about them. These literally taste like the exact same. These literally taste like magnum, normal magnums. They're just so good, like, so I got these. Then I got this from Wiched. It's a caponata sourdough pizza. Really good, like these are really good. I really love the Wiched range that's in Tesco, and they're not that expensive. Like, I mean, they're grand. I got, oh my god, it's kind of squished, damn it. Big Bros enchiladas. So like they're enchiladas, vegan enchiladas, really good. Haven't tried these before, excited to try them. I've tried the pizza before, but that's the only one I've tried. Then I also got a gunpowder potato chana masala. Don't even know how to say that, but like it's chickpeas and masala sauce, spiced saffron and blah on top of spring onions. Yeah, it's basically like some sort of like curry or something. Then, oh my god guys, I got these falafels. You know, if you've seen my other vegan food hauls, god, you guys, like these are so tasty. Like literally, like my mouth is watering just even thinking about these. Like if you're ever wanting to try falafels, like these ones are the way to go. Like they're just so like, oh, like perfect. Like they're perfect consistency and everything. They're so, oh guys, like these are the ones to go for. You know, I always get these. These are like my favorite thing. They're so good. Like they're the best falafels ever. Like they just taste the best. Oops. So if you're ever going to get falafels, get one, because you will not be disappointed. I got the Ben & Jerry's coconutly caramel non-dairy ice cream. This is amazing. Like I've got this before and it tastes so good. Okay, my mouth's like watering just looking at it. Like it looks so good. It's like a chocolate chips, caramel, vanilla ice cream winning combination. Like it's so good. like, oh, amazing. Also I got some olives. These are Kid Icky olives with slow roasted tomatoes. Yeah, I really love olives. Really good. Actually, maybe it's only time I get them, so yeah, they were really good. Then I also got a lentil chips. They're tomato and basil flavor. These are amazing. It's always good to have those chips in the house. Chips, like where am I from? Like America. Crisps in the house, just because, you know, it's nice for snacking on, you know. Speaking of snacking on, I also got these Rhythm Ooh La La tea biscuits. They're double chocolate hazelnut. They're gluten and dairy free, no refined sugar, organic, and a source of fiber. And if you watch my other vegan hauls, you know I get these all the time as well. They're just like nice to have with your coffee. I'm like, oh, I forgot to get coffee. I knew there was something I was forgetting, but you know what, it's fine. I'll just have tea instead. And yes guys, that's what I got on my, is this camera straight? That's what I got on my vegan food haul in Tesco. I like Tesco the most because they have the most options and like it's clearly labeled as vegan. But yes guys, I'm gonna put these all this stuff away now before it all melts on me. And if you enjoyed this, please let me know down in the comments. Also hit that thumbs up button, you know, if you like these kind of videos. You know, it's good to know what you like to see. And yeah, on that note guys, I will see you guys in the next one. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also hit that little notification bell just to be notified when I upload. I upload every Wednesday and Saturday. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.